To determine the correct size, measure the shoe size. Remove the liner by opening the contact closure straps and lifting out of the brace. Place the lower leg and foot into the soft good. To accommodate for rubbing and spacing, additional foam pads may be placed inside the soft good, between the soft good and plastic, or under the straps for additional comfort. Close the soft good snugly over the leg. Insert the foot into the brace by gently spreading the uprights. Ensure the struts are centered over the ankle bone. The lower leg should be kept at a 90-degree angle with the foot. There should not be a gap between the heel and shell. Remove the pull tabs located in between the struts and soft good. This allows the soft good to be secured into position. Secure the contact closure straps starting at the ankle and foot and working upward. Strap adjustments may be necessary with changes in lower limb volume. The walker is designed for minimum maintenance and care. Follow these easy steps to keep the brace in good condition. Remove the liner from the walker before washing. The liner should be washed by hand using a mild detergent in 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit water. Do not use bleach or strong detergent. Do not wash in the washing machine or place in the dryer. Line dry in the shade. Walker plastic can be washed with a damp cloth and mild soap. Accessories are available to suit individual patient needs. Contact your local Össur customer service department or check out www.össur.com for more information regarding accessories and replacement parts for the Formfit Walker.